If you are creating your own schedule, it's easy to track what and when. It means what you are going to do and when you are going to do as per your schedule. But what if you are creating or maintaining schedule of many people? It's a bit challenging to track upcoming or past activities or schedules. So to overcome this challenge, today we will create a scheduling system along with calendar, which will really ease your job. And believe me, your work will be much easier and systematic. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is a calendar and scheduler which I have created in Excel. I'll show you how it works. On the top, I have got months and year, and both of the things will be managed through drop-downs. Years will also be managed through drop-downs. Currently, we are in the month of January, and over here we can see month number as 1. When I'll do it February, it will become 2. In the same way, number will keep on changing. Over here we have got the calendar, and these are the dates. Dates will automatically change as soon as we will change the month. Currently, we are not able to see any schedule because I have started my scheduling from the month of April. If I'll do it April, we can see the schedules, and along with schedules, there are status: pending, not started, ongoing, done, not started. If I'll do it May, we are able to see the schedules of May. I'll do it April. Over here, I have got the names. Currently, we are able to see the schedule of Colby. If I change the name and we'll do it Albert, these are the schedules of Albert. In this format, I have got total 3 sheets. First one will be settings. In settings, I have got employee name, months and years. Second will be schedules. Over here, I have got date, name, schedule 1 and schedule 2. And just after schedule 2, we have got status. So you will have to do the entry in scheduling and things will be automatically updated in the calendar. Let's start creating a new sheet now. So this is sheet 1. We will rename this as settings. In settings sheet, we will have employee name, months and years. I'll click over here and we'll take all the things in center. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all 3. And we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll take this closer. We'll make the column size bigger for employee name. We'll take this closer to months. I'll put name of the month from January to December. I'll drag this down till December. We'll adjust the column size. Years, I'll take from 2024. We'll take this in center. 2025. We'll take this in center. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. Now I'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll put borders over here also. Employee name I'll take from my example file. I'll copy this. We'll go to my blank file and we'll paste over here. Paste special values. We'll put borders. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. So our setting sheet is ready now. We'll click on add and this will be scheduling. We'll click on C2. This will be date, employee name, schedule 1, schedule 2, status. We'll select the whole row. We'll go to home and we'll take all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll make the row size bigger. We'll put some date over here, enter. We'll click on date and we'll take this in center. We'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. I'll click on drop down and we'll select English United States and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So we got 1st April over here. I'll drag this down. I'll put some common dates. Employee name. I'll adjust the column size. We'll click over here and we'll select till last. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll click on first employee. We'll press shift, control and down arrow key. Now I'll do OK. So in future, if your employee list increases, you will not have to adjust the range. I'll select few employee names from the drop down. I'll take this closer. I'll adjust the column size over here. Schedule 1 and Schedule 2. I'll increase the column size. Status. I'll click on top and we select till bottom. Let's go to our setting sheet. I'll click over here. We'll take this closer. This will be status. We'll click over here. We'll go to home. We'll click on format painter and we'll click on status. This will be done, not done or pending, not started and ongoing. We'll select this and we'll put borders. Now I'll go to my scheduling sheet. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to right side and we'll click on done and we'll select few extra cells. So in case you want to add in future, you can, and we'll click on OK. So my drop down list got created. I'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type done. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill. I'll click over here. We'll go to more colors and we'll select a desired color. We'll do OK. We'll go to font and we'll select the font color as white and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type pending. We'll click on drop down, customized format, fill, and from here I'll select red color. Font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. In the same way I'll highlight ongoing and not started. And we'll do OK. So our drop down got created and all the status got highlighted. Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 I'll take from my example file. Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over there. Paste special, values. We'll adjust the column size. We'll come down and we'll delete extra schedules. Delete. We'll go on top. Now I'll click over here and this will be helper. Enter. I'll click anywhere inside the data and we'll press Ctrl+A or Command+A. The whole data will be selected. Now I'll press Ctrl+T. Create table. My table has headers and I'll do OK. So a very beautiful table got created. I'll go to home and we'll create borders. We'll go to table and we'll remove the filter buttons. In case you want to change the color of table, you can. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. Helper. We are going to create this just for VLOOKUP purpose. And we will connect employee name and dates over here. So it will be plus or equal to employee name and date. And we'll hit enter. So employee name and date got connected. You can do it either ways, means you can connect date and employee name. Totally up to you. In status, I'll update the status. So this sheet is ready now. I'll show you one thing. In case you want to update the list, just put date over here, enter. Now put names over here. So once you will put date and name, helper will be updated automatically. Over here, I'll take some tasks from top. Over here also, I'll copy and we'll paste over here. We'll update the status. We'll go on top. We'll click over here. We'll go to view and we'll freeze the panes. So this sheet is ready now. We will insert one more sheet and this will be calendar. We can see the drop down over here. This is just because we had created in first sheet or scheduling sheet. Let's go to calendar. We'll click over here on B6 and we'll type Monday. We'll take this in center. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Now I'll drag this till Sunday. We'll delete this. We'll select this and we'll put borders. Now I'll click just under Monday and we'll select till Sunday. And we'll select few rows and we'll create borders. We'll click over here on B4. This will be month number. We'll select this and we'll put borders. This will be year. We'll leave this blank. We'll come over here. This will be name. We'll come to right. We'll select two cells and we'll merge together. We'll select the whole row and we'll take all the things in center. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll put some color over here also. Now I'll select all and we'll put borders. We'll increase the row size. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in center. We'll take this closer. We'll increase the row size of days also. Now I'll click over here and we'll select till E and we'll merge together. We'll adjust the row size. We'll take this closer. This will be calendar and scheduler. Enter. We'll click over here and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click on F2 and we'll select G also and we'll merge together. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select name of the months from Jan to December and we'll do OK. So the drop down list got created. I'll select January. We'll go to home and we'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click over here on H2. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this in right and we'll select years from top to bottom. And we'll do OK. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select 2024. We'll go to home and we'll take this in center. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. Now I'll click over here next to year plus or equal to and we'll click over here. Means I'll connect this cell from year and we'll hit enter. We'll change the color. I'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Month number. The formula for month number will be plus or equal to month, bracket open, date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and I'll select month and I'll select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got month number as 1. When I change the month, I'll do it February. It got changed and we are able to see 2. If I'll do it August, we can see the number as 8. Let's keep it January as of now. Name. I'll click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. For source I'll not be going to setting sheet. I'll be going to my scheduling. We'll take this in right. We'll click over here on first employee. We'll press shift, control and down arrow key. And we'll do OK. So the drop down list for name got created. I'll select Albert. We'll increase the font size of the name. I'll click just under Monday and we'll insert the formula for first date. And the formula will be plus or equal to date, bracket open, year. So year will be 2024, comma, month. Month will be this one, means number 1. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma, day. It will be 1, bracket close, minus weekday, bracket open, serial number. We will put date, bracket open, year. So year will be 2024, comma, month. Month will be our month number. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma, day. Day will be 1, bracket close, comma 2. 2 is for days from Monday to Sunday. We'll close the bracket, plus 1 and I'll hit enter. So our first date is over here. We'll take this in center. We'll select all and we'll take all the things in center. Now I'll click over here. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So first Jan is over here now. Formula for second date will be plus first date plus 1. Enter. I'll drag this over here. Now I'll click just under first Jan plus first date plus 7. Enter. Perfect. Now I'll select this and we'll drag it down. Now I'll select all the dates and we'll drag it down. We'll delete extra rows. Now I'll select all the dates. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will be diverted to next step and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to month, bracket open. We'll click on the first date. When we selected the first date, it's logged. So we will delete both the dollars. Is not equal to, for not equal to, we will use smaller than, greater than. Not equal to, we will click on month number. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select a desired color and font. Font will be same color as we have selected for our cell. So it was blue. For text also I'll select blue and we'll do OK. So all the dates which are not in the month of January got highlighted in blue. If I change the month, if I'll do it February, you'll notice our month is starting from Thursday and all the days before Thursday got highlighted in blue. Let's keep it January as of now. We'll click over here, means just under first date. We'll right click the mouse, insert, and we'll insert rows. We will insert total 3 rows over here. We'll select this and we'll highlight this in blue. We'll change the font color. For these also we will do the same thing. Under all the dates, I'll insert 3 extra rows. We'll select this and we'll remove the colors. No fill. We'll follow the same steps for all the dates. We'll click over here and we'll insert borders. Now I'll adjust the column size. Perfect. We'll increase the font size over here. Over here also I'll increase the font size. Now it's time to connect our calendar with our scheduling sheet. And we are going to use VLOOKUP over here. And the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. So here we will need 2 lookup value. One will be name and the other will be date. So it will be like VLOOKUP and the lookup value will be name. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. And we will select date. So name and date got lookup value. We'll press function F4 2 times, comma, table array. We will go to our scheduling sheet and we'll select from helper till status. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Just notice one thing over here. I have selected my data from top and I haven't selected the range, comma. I want 3 things over there in my calendar: schedule 1, schedule 2 and status. So when we count our column number or column index number from helper, it becomes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will put 4 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got NA error over here because we haven't got anything against Albert on 1st of Jan. Let's cross check. Our schedule is starting from 1st of April and in our calendar it's 1st of Jan. So we got NA error over here. Let's go to formula bar and put the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So the error got vanished. Let's change the month. Let's do it April. Now I'll drag this down. This was for schedule number 1. So the column index number was 4. This will be 5. Enter. And this will be 6. Enter. Now I'll select all 3 and we'll drag till end. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C and we'll paste over here. We'll click just under 8th Jan. We'll go to formula bar and over here we will have to change the cell number of date. Over here it's showing B7, means this cell, and this one is B11. I'll change it manually and we'll do it B11. Over here also B11 and over here also it will be B11. Enter. I'll select all 3 and we'll drag till end. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll click over here and we'll paste it. Over here also we will have to change the date cell reference. It's B15. We'll do it B15. Over here also it will be B15 and over here also it will be B15. Enter. We'll drag this to right. We'll come down. We'll do the same thing over here also. So all the things are done. I'll go on top. Now let's change the month and see what result we are going to get. So we had created schedule for April. I'll select April from here. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll wrap the text. Perfect. So we are able to see each and everything. I'll adjust the font size over here. We'll go on top. I'll go to my scheduling sheet. We'll click on status. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll come to calendar. We'll select the whole row. We'll right click the mouse, paste special. We'll take this up and we'll paste formats. OK. We'll take this in center. Now we will click over here. We'll right click the mouse, paste special. We'll take this up, formats. OK. We'll come down and we'll follow the same step till last date. We'll remove the color from here. We'll do it no fill. Perfect. So our format is ready now. Whatever things will be updated in scheduling, it will automatically feature in calendar. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.